Signs that you're overdoing it or maybe you're doing too much are varied. So first one is maybe you're sore for too long. Again, some people will say, a lot of soreness is good. Other people will say, maybe not so good. Kind of fall in the middle. Like if you just started something new, I think it's, and you worked at a decent intensity, I think it's safe to say you might be have a little bit of muscle sore, the next day or even the day after. Maybe it's 48, 1 to 2 days after typically for muscle soreness to develop. If it persists longer than that, then you might have done too much. If you're feeling pain, and that's different than soreness. This is more of an alarming, like that just doesn't feel right, that doesn't feel normal. That may be a sign that you did too much. Rest a few days, nurse it, take it easy, try to work your way back in. If that doesn't go away, obviously maybe seek help to figure out what that is and to what extent it may be injured per se. If you lose motivation to train, that can be also a sign of doing too much. Not that, I just don't want to do it. It's just like your body, your mind is just fatigued. You're just dragging yourself into the gym or down to the basement to do your workout, right? So taking a few days off is usually, 1 to 3 days max, not a bad thing. If you're really sore, doing some light exercise, lowering your intensity, but still going through the routine can help flush out some of that stiffness and some of that soreness. And if you feel pain, I think it's, especially if you're unfamiliar with working out, I think it's important to stop and then either, give it a day or two to rest. Maybe it's choose a different exercise to work the muscle, but maybe it's in a different position. See if you can work around it a little bit. And if that pain persists, then obviously get that checked out. Because again, if it's something mild, it's usually a pretty easy fix. People that try to work too much into the pain or try to push through that pain for too long, obviously becomes a bigger issue, which then takes a little bit longer to heal and then get back to doing what you want to do if we can get to that point.